Imagine waking up to find your YouTube channel earning money while you sleep. That's the magic of YouTube automation. It's like having a team working for you 24/7, creating and uploading videos even when you're off enjoying life. YouTube automation is your ticket to passive income. You can build a sustainable income stream by creating high-quality content once and letting the system distribute it to a global audience. This approach frees up your time and allows you to focus on other passions or scale your business. No more endless hours spent filming and editing. So, are you ready to unlock the power of YouTube automation and embark on a journey toward financial freedom? Let's dive in. YouTube automation is like having a well-oiled machine working for your channel. It involves using tools and strategies to automate content creation, uploading, optimization, and even engagement. Think of it as building a system that runs on autopilot. You create high-quality content up front and then the automation tools take over, distributing it to your target audience. This doesn't mean sacrificing quality for quantity. Instead, it's about working smarter, not harder. You can reach a wider audience and grow your channel exponentially by automating repetitive tasks. In the next section, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to set up your YouTube automation system from scratch. Let's break down setting up your YouTube automation system into manageable steps. 1. Niche selection. Choose a niche that excites you and has the potential for monetization. This will be the foundation of your channel's success. 2. Channel creation. Create a professional-looking channel with a catchy name, logo, and banner that reflects your niche. 3. Content planning. Plan out a content calendar with video ideas that cater to your target audience. Think about evergreen content that remains relevant over time. 4. Automation tools. Research and invest in tools for video creation, editing, uploading, and optimization. We'll discuss some popular options later. 5. Content creation. Create high-quality videos following YouTube best practices. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and visually appealing. 6. Schedule and upload. Use scheduling tools to automate the uploading process. This ensures your content is consistently delivered to your audience. 7. Promote and engage. Promote your videos on social media and engage with your viewers in the comments section. Building a community fosters loyalty. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for your automated YouTube channel. Remember, consistency is key. Even with automation, your content's quality remains paramount. Here are some strategies for creating engaging content for your automated channel. 1. Evergreen content. Focus on topics that remain relevant over time, such as tutorials, educational videos, or product reviews. 2. Repurposing content. Transform existing content into different formats, like turning blog posts into videos or vice versa. 3. User-generated content. Encourage viewers to submit their videos or ideas, providing them with a platform and increasing engagement. 4. Collaborations. Partner with other creators in your niche to tap into new audiences and cross-promote your channels. Remember, your content should provide value to your viewers. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Section 5. Tools of the trade, essential software for YouTube automation. Many tools can streamline your YouTube automation journey. Here are some popular options. 1. For video editing, software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, if you're on a Mac, offers advanced editing capabilities. For beginners, user-friendly options like Filmora or InVideo are great starting points. 2. For YouTube SEO, tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search visibility. 3. For social media scheduling, Buffer or Hootsuite can automate sharing your videos across various social media platforms. 4. For email marketing, platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit help you build an email list and automate communication with your subscribers. Remember, the right tools for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your workflow. Section 6. The art of optimization. Maximizing your automated channel's reach. Creating great content is only half the battle. To succeed with YouTube automation, you must optimize your channel and videos for maximum visibility. First, keyword research. Identify relevant keywords your target audience uses to search for content like yours. Next, title optimization. Craft attention-grabbing titles that include your target keywords. Then, description optimization. Write detailed video descriptions that provide context and entice viewers to click. Don't forget tags. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to categorize your videos and improve their discoverability. And finally, thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content and encourage clicks. By optimizing your channel and videos, you make it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand your content and recommend it to the right viewers. Section 7. Case Studies. Learning from successful automated YouTube channels. Let's look at some successful automated YouTube channels that exemplify these principles. First, Motivation Madness. This channel leverages motivational speeches and quotes, often repurposing existing content into visually appealing videos. Then, Chill Hop Music. This channel provides a constant stream of relaxing lo-fi hip-hop beats, often using user-generated content and collaborations. And finally, TED Ed. This channel transforms TED Talks into engaging animated videos, making educational content more accessible and shareable. These channels demonstrate the diversity of content and strategies that can be successful with YouTube automation. By studying their approaches, you can glean valuable insights for your channel. Section 8. Overcoming Challenges, Common Pitfalls and How to Avoid Them. While YouTube automation offers significant advantages, it's essential to be aware of potential challenges. First, copyright issues. Ensure you have the rights to use all content in your videos, including music, images, and video clips. Next, quality control. Maintain consistent quality across all your videos, even when automating. Regularly review your content for errors. And finally, audience engagement. While automation can handle many tasks, actively engage with your viewers in the comments section to foster a sense of community. By being mindful of these potential pitfalls, you can mitigate risks and ensure the long-term success of your automated YouTube channel. Section 9. Ready, Set, Automate. Embark on your YouTube automation adventure. Starting a YouTube automation journey is an exciting opportunity to build a passive income stream, share your passions, and reach a global audience. Remember, choose a niche you love and plan your content strategically. Invest in the right tools to streamline your workflow. Optimize your channel and videos for maximum visibility. Learn from successful automated channels and adapt their strategies. Don't be afraid to experiment, be patient, and consistently deliver high-quality content. Your automated YouTube channel can become a reality with dedication and the right approach.